Drawing insects isn't difficult. Draw a round seed, draw 2 sprouts. Drip a drop of water on top. Heart-shaped flower, scribble, yeah, it's a bumblebee. Simple, isn't it? Draw a watermelon and 2 stems. Split it into 3 parts. Little black seeds, scribble, yeah, it's a ladybug. Simple, isn't it?
Scribble, scribble, yeah! Scribble, scribble, yeah!
Draw some beans gathered around. First bean grew 2 antennae. Spiky antennae on the second bean too. Scribble, yeah, it's an ant. Simple, isn't it? Ha ha ha! Draw 2 loaves of round bread. Add 1 more long baguette. 1 bite, 2 bite, 3, 4 bite. Scribble, yeah, it's a dragonfly.
Scribble, scribble, yeah! Scribble, scribble, yeah!
Isn't drawing insects easy?